Looks like the Jack Wagon, who is driven by Gage Taylor. Brakeman is Nathan Anderson. The Taylor's Car Wash Intermount Transmission C&E Automotive. And also the Shake and Bake, driven by Rodney Park and Justin Temple. The Pix Insulation, Brandon Park Roofing, K&S Automotive, Pix Roll-Off, and Lachey Arabians will bring out this red flag.
We're taking a break.
It's halftime. Remember, you know what happened? They let Tim Tebow drive that car.
All right, so one lap in, still 9 laps remaining in this race.
Their medical team's out there.
All right, so RMR officials working diligently to make sure that this lineup is kosher so we can go quickly back to racing. Our RMR safety team is also over there with both the Jack Wagon and Shake and Bake trains. August the 31st, that's when the Western States Equipment Figure 8 trains will be back in action here at Rocky Mountain Raceways, because once again we will not be racing here next Saturday night. Instead, we're going to be over at the NHRA sanctioned drag strip for a very special drag race.